Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create something called the land of gallon, which will help you when converting customary units of capacity. Now the land of gallon is something that I didn't create, but I did create a song to help me remember how to draw the picture, which I can use when converting customary units of capacity. And the song goes like this. In the land of gallon there lived 4 queens. Each and every queen had just 2 things, a prince and a princess to call their own, and each prince and princess had 2 children of their own. Each of the children were 8 years old, and that's the land of gallon, or so I've been told. So this silly little song really helps me understand this chart over here and actually takes it a step beyond this chart. Here's how the song works. By singing the song, I can create this image right here. And then I can use this image to understand how these different units of capacity relate to one another. So for instance, inside of my giant G is everything that could create a gallon. So that big G, land of gallon, stands for a gallon. So the first thing that I see nice and big are 4 Q's. Well, those Q's stand for quarts. So just like this chart says, there are 4 quarts in a gallon because I have 4 Q's inside of my big G. But I also see something else. I see these P's, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So also inside of 1 gallon, or what can create 1 gallon, is 8 pints, which I can label as a PT. There are 8 pints that create 1 gallon. Well, let's go even further in. I see these little C's, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 C's. So what else can create 1 gallon? Well, 16 cups. That's what the C stands for, is cups. Well, let's go even further into it. Every cup has 8 fluid ounces. So if there's 16 cups, there are also 16 8 fluid ounces. That's a big multiplication problem there. 16 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what else can create 1 gallon? Well, 128 fluid ounces. And I know all that just by looking at this one picture that I drew based on the song that I sung. So that song makes it a lot easier. But we can even go inside of just one of those quarts or one of those Q's. I see 2 P's inside of a Q, which tells me that there are 2 pints inside of a quart. But let's dig in even more. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 C's inside of 1 Q. So I also know that there are 4 cups in every quart. And then 8, 8, 8, 8, 4 8s equals 32 fluid ounces. So there are 32 fluid ounces inside every quart. Well, let's just look at 1 P. Inside 1 P, I see 2 C's. Those are my 2 cups. But I also see 2 8s. Well, I know 8 plus 8 is 16. So there are 16 fluid ounces inside of every pint. And then, of course, when we get down to the C, the only thing that makes up a cup is 8 fluid ounces. So just by using my land of gallon picture, I can convert any customary unit of capacity using the chart that I can create based on the picture that I drew. So that's how we can use the picture to help us when converting customary units of capacity. Good luck converting!